Hello students, this is the first part of a new chapter called transformations. Okay, this is also important part for trigonometry. So listen students, transformations. This total chapter is depend upon just 4 formulae. This total chapter is depend upon just 4 formulae. So these are the 4 formulae 1, 2, 3, 4. So to derive these 4 formulae, first of all you should recall another 4 formulae which are already I taught. So here see, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b. This is first formula. The easy one only should remember, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. You write sin of a plus b formula. What is that? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b plus sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. These two get cancelled. These two are like terms, just like x plus x, 2x, 2 sin a into cos b 1. That is why sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b, already established fact. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. This minus this is here minus, here plus, these two get cancelled. We will get 2 times of cos a cos b here. Similarly, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b will get as 2 cos a cos b. Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b will get minus 2 sin a sin b. Should remember this. So I will show you that also. That not big problem for me. Okay. So what happened? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus. First of all, cos of a plus b formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b plus cos of a minus b is what? Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, sin a sin b, just their addition. So what happened here? This term will get cancelled. What will get? This plus this 2 times, no, 2 cos a cos b is here, 2 cos a cos b. For example, here minus is given, here minus you will get, this is minus you will get, these two get cancelled, minus sin a sin b minus sin a sin b minus x minus 2x minus 2 sin a sin b. This is the second result. Okay. So I think no need to remember last one. What he wrote this is the first term and this is one as a second term. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is 2 sin a sin b, here plus. Okay. So based on these 4 formula only, 4 formula is derived in transformations. I will show you. Yeah, these are the 4 formulae, important results. Everyone should remember. Without these formulae, we can't solve the problems. What is first one? I want to write first one. What is the first one, Nana? Sin C plus sin D is remembered as 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Should remember like this, Nana. 2 sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. For example, sin x plus sin y is there. Both should be sin. Between them plus. Sin x plus sin y can be written as, according to this formula, 2 sin of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2. Okay. So in this way you can remember. Now I will prove it. Proof for result, Nana. Yeah, we know that I can't say I know that, we know that, because already established fact, no? Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b equal to 2 sin a cos b. So observe, Nana, compare this and this. What happened? Instead of a plus b, we want c. Instead of a minus b, you want d. That's why should write like that. Let a plus b is taken as c, a minus b is taken as d. Okay, add these two. What happened? bb get cancelled. 2a equal to c plus d. 2a equal to c plus d. a equal to c plus d by 2. a equal to c plus d by 2. Observe, student, just add, Nana, these two. bb get cancelled. a plus a 2a. 2a equal to c plus d. a equal to c plus d by 2. Subtract. What will get? b equal to c minus 2 will get. So this is say first result. Understood? Instead of a plus b, I took c nana. Instead of a minus b, I took d. I added these two. bb get cancelled. 2a, I will write here. 2a equal to c plus d. So what is the a value nana? C plus d by 2. After that I subtracted minus plus 2b equal to c minus d. b equal to c minus d by 2 only. Yeah, now substitute these values in first equation. In first equation, what happened? Sin, instead of a plus b, should write c plus sin, instead of a minus b, we want to write d equal to into, instead of a, what should write then? A means what? C plus d by 2 only, no? Sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Yeah, I established the result number 1, easy only, but you need to remember without formulae you can't solve the problem. Okay, students. Okay, for example, sin 60 degree plus sin 26 degree 24 degree again, for example. How to simplify this? You need to think this is c and this is as a d. Sin c plus sin d, what is the formula? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. In this way we can apply nana. 2 sin 24 plus 6, 30 by 2, 15 degree into cos of 24 minus 6, 18 by 2, that is 9 degree. Okay, correct or not? Check nana. 18 by 2, 9. Okay, so minus 9, but no problem. Cos of minus plus cos theta. 15 degree standard angle, 9 degree standard angle, you can find this value, that is not a big problem. Okay, sin 6 degree plus sin 24 degree you want, by using sin c plus sin d only you can solve nana. That is why these formulas are important for us. So first one I established here. Second one also can establish, that is not a big problem. Here only I want to complete second one. Okay, observe here. What is second one? Nana? Sin c minus sin d equal to, minus means first of all you get cos, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Student, observe nana here. Plus means first sin, next cos. Minus means first cos, next sin. These two are same. These two are same. Just interchange their positions. Okay, that, like that you can remember now. Okay, proof easy only. That not big problem. Okay, we know that. Yeah, what is that? Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b equal to 2 cos a sin b. Just let, instead of a plus b, what do you want? C nana. A plus b is taken as c, a minus b is taken as a d. Then what we will get here? I already explained, no? Adding, okay, c plus d by 2. Similarly, subtracting, what we will get nana? B equal to c minus d by 2. So say this is equation 1. Now 1 becomes what? Sin c minus sin d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Should remember. Okay, second also completed. Okay, nana. Third one, cos c plus cos d, both the causes and plus between them. Though directly you can remember it as 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Now, proof. How you got means I will explain. That is not a big problem. Proof. We know that. No. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b equal to 2 cos a cos b. Already established fact. Let already I wrote here. No? Let a plus b is taken as c, a minus b is taken as d. The addition gives a, the subtraction gives b. Now this is 1. First one becomes what? Nana? First one becomes cos c plus cos d equal to cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Don't confuse. In sine formula, one cos, one sine. But cos formula, both coses are both sines. So plus means both cos. Okay. Yeah, fourth one. The last one. What is that, Nana? Cos c minus cos d. How to remember? C first. D. Cos c minus cos d. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay. So proof. We know that. Yeah. Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. Proven already. So let a plus b equal to c, Nana. A minus b equal to d. Just addition of these two angles gives another new angle, no? That is taken as c and d. So what gives a equal to c plus d by 2 and b equal to c minus d by 2. So this is 1. 1 becomes what, Nana? Cos c minus cos d equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Everyone should remember all these four. Without formula, you can't solve the problems. Okay. Okay, Shun, you need to remember this. Sometimes we need to plus, no, that's why he wrote instead of sin c minus sin d minus sin d once, or just c minus d is written as d minus a. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta only, no. Okay, no need to remember last one, just 4 enough, Nana. Using these all 4 you can solve the problems. Okay, I will show you how to solve the problems. Okay, sorry, something happened. Yeah. Your first problem, example 1 I can say, example 1. Prove that something, I want to take LHS, easy problems only, na, concept easy, but all are depend upon those 4 formulae. Without those, we can't solve the problem. 4 into cos 66 degree plus sin 84 degree. Yeah. Application of above 4 formula, Nana. You write 4 as it is, cos 66 as it is, but to use the formula, what you want? Sin c plus sin d, or sin c minus sin d, or cos c plus cos d, or cos c minus cos d, sin, cos only you want. So cos sin you don't want. That's why sin 84 nothing but cos 6 degree only, no. So I converted all in terms of cos, Nana. We can convert all in terms of sin also, no problem here. This cos 66 also converted sines, then we can apply. That is not a big problem. Just I converted sin 84 as sin 84 in terms of cos, that is nothing but cos 66, cos 6 degree. That is not big problem. I will show you sin 84 degree equal to sin of 90 minus 6 degree only, that one. Okay, sin of 90 minus cos theta, cos is 6 degree. Okay. Now I can apply our previous one. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This is 4, 8 into 66 plus 72, 72 by 2, 36, cos 36 degree into minus 30, 60 by 2, 30, cos 30 degree. Okay, 8 into cos 36 standard angle, that is root 5 plus 1 by 4, cos 60 root 3 by 2, 2, 4, 8 get cancel, just multiplication root 15 plus root 3, which is RHS. So what happened, Anna? I proved. Okay. Yeah, first problem completed, first example problem completed. Yeah, this is example 2, Nana. interesting problem. Cos x plus cos y is equal to small a. Sin x plus sin y equals small b. Then he want sin of x plus y and cos of x plus y, tan of x plus y. Logical problem only. Do one thing. First of all, write given data. Cos x plus cos y equal to small a. Sin x plus sin y. So I don't want to write here, Nana. So first of all, I want to simplify this. So I want to use transformations. Cos c plus cos d. What is that? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 equal to a. Let it be first equation. What next given, Nana? Sin x plus sin y is given as b. Here also I want, this is first one, this is second one. Here also I want to use transformations. Sin c plus sin d, yeah, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Say result number 2. Observe here. Na? So here cos x minus y by 2, here also cos x minus. While dividing 1 by 2, I think these two will get cancelled. That's why I want to divide 1 by 2. I will write 1 by 2 gives, you write as it is 1, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 by 2 sin of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 equal to a. I think I forgot to write here b, no, something is given b, equation number, okay, a by b. Observe students, 2 get cancelled, Nana. This angle is get cancelled with condition. See, cos of x plus y by 2, sin of x plus y by 2, this same angles, no, just like cos theta by sin theta, cot theta only, that one, cot theta, cot of x plus y by 2 equal to a by b. Interesting result, yeah, what you want, sin of x plus y you want. What you have, cot of x plus y beta, tan of x plus y 2 also, that also convert, that is not a big problem. So we want the formula, say this is theta, just feel that this is theta. So what is this, Nana? Theta by 2. Just we want sin theta in terms of tan theta by 2. We want sin theta in terms of tan theta by 2. Direct formula is there, sin and tan theta by 2. I will show you. See, sin 2 theta formula what, Nana? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Half angle, half it. Sin theta, here half. See, sin theta what, Nana? Here 2 sin theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Already is there the value. No, you need to substitute. This is my plan. So okay, what I am doing, observe, Nana. Just tan I will write here, tan of x plus y by 2 equal to b by a. Leave it. What do you want? Sin of x plus y you want. I will write sin of theta equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Just now explained. So instead of theta you write x plus y. What is the problem? Sin of x plus y equal to 2 tan of x plus y by 2, Nana, by 1 plus tan of x plus y by 2 whole square. Just substitutions only now. 2 into, instead of tan of x plus y by 2, b by a you can write b by a by 1 plus b by a whole square. Just simplifications, 2b by a into LCM, after taking LCM, a square by a square plus b square. 1a get cancelled. What will get, Nana? 2ab by a square plus b square. Here 2ab by a square, got. So this is only the required value. So I can say this LHS for first problem. So what I got, that is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Complete. First problem complete. Here only I want to complete second problem, Nana. Second problem. So what do you want? Cos of, just like cos theta you want, that already you have the formula, tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Cos 2 theta formula is there, no? Cos 2 theta in terms of tan. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Half angle I want here. Theta I want. You should make half. So cos theta equal 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Just to put theta equal to x plus y nana here. Okay, I can say LHS of second part, cos of x plus y equal to 1 minus tan of x plus y by 2 square. I can write here, no problem. Yeah, 1 plus tan square of x plus y by 2 nana. Just substitutions only. So 1 minus b square by a square, direct step, by 1 plus b square by a square, which is same as a square minus b square by a square by a square plus b square by a square. This a square get cancelled. What you got? Cos of x plus y equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. This only the required result. Okay. Yeah, for third problem, no need to do anything, Nana. Just tan theta means sin theta by cos theta only. No, just divide first result by second result, divide third result. That is not a big problem. Tan of x plus y you want. What is that? Sin of x plus y by cos of x plus y. Just to derive, no, sin of x plus y. What is that, Nana? 2ab by a square plus b square by a square minus b square by a square plus b square. These two get cancelled. So directly what you get, Nana? Tan of x plus y equal to 2ab by a square minus b square. So third also completed. Next problem, next example. Actually here what is that number? Example 2. I can say this example 3. Example 3. So somewhat interesting problem. So students, important thing, any problem of this form in trigonometry, see 1 minus m by 1 plus m, 1 minus a by 1 plus a, k plus 1 by k minus 1. Any problem in trigonometry in this form, use the property compoundo and dividendo. If a by b equal to c by d, compoundo and dividendo is saying that, so this a by b equals c by d, then what happened? A plus b by a minus b also equal to c plus d by c minus d. This is called compoundo and dividendo. How you got this means I already explained in the concept of arithmetic in 8th standard. Adding one once, subtracting one once, dividing, then we will get this result. This result is called compoundo and dividendo. Students, observe, a by b equal to c by d. Then a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. This is compoundo and dividendo. Using that you can solve the problem. Directly I want to solve this problem. So given something is mentioned, no, something is mentioned. Why they means tan should be defined means tan theta should be defined means what, Nana? Theta should not in the form of angle should not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 where n belongs to z, like further conditions. Okay, given sin alpha plus beta by cos alpha minus beta equal to 1 minus m by 1 plus m. Students, feel this as a Nana, this as a b, this as a c, this as a d. Now you want to use compoundo and dividendo. So what is compoundo? A by b equals c by d means what happened? A plus b by a minus b equals c plus d by c minus d. I will write that. A plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d, minus of 1 plus m, directly I want to write. Okay, or you can write in bracket. What is that? A by b equal to c by d, then a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. What you call this? Is called compound and dividend. Okay, students, important step now. Important step here. Important step. Why important? Sin is there, here cos is there. I can't use sin c plus sin d concept. Both should be sin, no? Either both should be cos. Then only you can use a transformation concept. Here I can't use transformation concept because here sin is there, here cos is there. We need to convert both in terms of one trigonometric ratio. Very important, very important, students. So I want to convert this in terms of sin. Observe what happened. Sin of alpha plus beta. I don't want to disturb first term. Plus this can be written as sin of pi by 2 minus of alpha minus beta, because cos theta is nothing but sin of 90 minus theta only. Cos theta is nothing but sin of 90 minus theta. That only I wrote here. So what happened? Numerator is converted both in terms of sines. Denominator also I want to convert in terms of sines. Sin of alpha plus beta, don't disturb. Minus cos theta means what I can write as sin of pi by 2 minus of alpha minus beta is equal to see what happened, m get cancelled 2. Wait, minus 1 get cancelled, minus 2m you will get, minus 2m. Okay, after that what happened, these two also get cancelled. Okay students, now I want use transformations here. Okay, observe here, this is in the form, numerator in the form of sin c plus sin d, denominator in the form of sin c minus sin d. Here 2 get cancelled, here minus 1 by m will get. So slowly I want to write the steps. Numerator 2 sin c plus d by 2, alpha plus beta plus pi by 2 minus alpha, I want to open direct bracket, plus beta by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, alpha plus beta minus of this, minus pi by 2, minus of minus plus alpha minus beta by, okay, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos will get, cos something into sin of something equal to minus 1 by m. Students, listen, why I am saying something, this angle and this angle are same, no? Alpha plus beta, same. Plus of these two means this one only, no? Okay. 2 get cancelled. See, here sin k by cos k, just like sin k by cos k, sorry, sin k by cos k means what is that? Is tan k only, no? These two gives tan of this angle, same angle, tan of same angle, I will write tan of same angle. What is that? Tan of same means here alpha get cancelled, beta plus beta, 2 beta plus beta by 4 beta by pi by, not beta, already completed, beta plus 2 beta, and next pi by 2 into, see here, cos theta by sin theta, same angle, no? Same angle, cos theta by sin theta means cot theta means what happened here, minus beta, beta get cancelled, alpha 2 alpha minus pi by 2 which is same as minus 1 by m. Now I want to simplify. So tan of beta plus pi by 4 into cot of alpha minus pi by 4 equal to minus 1 by m. What you want? M into cot you want, m into cot, yeah, that to this, okay, yeah, means this tan should be converted to cots, that is important thing. This tan I will write here I will write now. Okay, do one thing, if you convert all in terms of causes, directly you get the result, but I convert all in sines, no, that's why I am getting one more extra step for this. Now you need to convert this tan into cot and this cot into tan, then only you get correct result. Okay, So what you can write now, this one cot of pi by 2 minus of beta plus pi by 4, because tan theta is cot of 90 minus theta into this is yeah, this one also I think we need to convert, because alpha minus, okay, I think no need to convert this, as it is you write. It's here, no need to convert pi by 4 minus alpha, just one minus is common, that is not big problem, you can convert later. Alpha minus pi by 4 equal to minus 1 by m. Okay, so here cot of, yeah, pi by 2 minus beta minus pi by 4, this should be group pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus beta. So 4 LCM, so pi by 4 minus beta. Here pi by 4 minus beta into cot of alpha minus pi by 4 equal to minus 1 by m. Yeah, don't disturb this, you write as it is, m into cot of pi by 4 minus beta, don't disturb none, equal to minus 1 by this cot of alpha minus pi by 4. So what is this? M times of cot of pi by 4 minus beta equal to minus tan of alpha minus pi by 4, almost completed, but pi by 4 first and alpha next, you take minus common. So what I will get this tan of pi by 4 minus alpha. So that is the required result. Don't confuse, just simplifications only, just simplification. We got m times of cot of pi by 4 minus beta equal to tan of pi by 4 minus alpha, hence proved. Students, this is task 1 from our material. So task 1, first problem, I want complete, okay, I don't want waste my time, direct first problem, I want to rewrite the problem, cos 55 degree plus cos 65 degree plus cos 175 degree. Okay, LHS, you want to show that this is equal to 0, that is not a big problem. Yeah, 2 terms are there here, 3 terms are there, you want 2 terms only to apply transformations. First of take any two, you want these two, take CD, apply CD, 2 cos C plus D by, directly I want to write 55 plus 65, 0, here C 12, 120 by 2, 60 into cos of 55 minus 65 by 2, that is, what is that, minus 10, minus 5, minus 5 degree. Okay, yeah, plus cos 175 degree. So cos 60 how much, half, this one get cancelled, half no, because, so finally what you got now here, cos 5 degree plus cos 175 degree. Again you need to use transformation, this is C, this is D. So 2 cos C plus D by 2, 175 plus 5, 180 by 2 is 90 degree into cos 5 minus, that is minus 170 by 2. I don't want that, because cos 90 only 0, no, equal to 0, 0 into something, 0 only, which is RHS. Okay, so first problem completed. Second problem, sin cos, okay, no problem. Sin 34 degree plus cos 64 degree minus cos 4 degree. Several ways you can solve this problem, not unique way. So you can convert this in terms of sin cos, then you can use sin C, cos C plus cos D, or directly here you can use cos C plus cos D. So any method you can use, 34 degree plus, I want to write bracket, yeah, cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2, C plus 68 by 2, 34, correct only, okay, 34 degree into sin C minus D by 2, sin only, 64 minus 4, 60 by 2, 30 degree. Okay, so what happened, Anna? Yeah, observe here, sin 34 as it is, Yeah, minus 2 into sin 34 into 1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. So sin 34 degree minus sin 34 degree. These two get cancelled. What will get nana? 0. What the value of this nana? 0. Okay. Third problem. Yes, sin 70 degree minus cos 40 degree by cos 50 degree minus sin 20 degree. This is LHS. You want to show that this equals something. You want to use transformations. Here sin and cos you don't like. Either convert both in terms of cos or both in terms of sin. I will convert in terms of cos nana. This is cos 20 only. Cos 20 minus cos 40 by cos 50 degree minus cos 70 degree only. Okay. Cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. 40 plus 20 60 by 2 30 degree into sin c minus d by 20 minus 40 minus 20 minus 10 degree by minus 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 60 degree. So 70 plus 120 by 2 no into sin of 50 minus 70 20 by 2 minus 10 degree. Okay. This half get cancelled. This sin of minus 10 degree sin 10 degree get completed. Sin 30 means 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, which is same as 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. So 1 by root 3, which is nothing but RHS. Okay, students. So fourth problem. Show that sin 50 degree minus 70 degree plus sin 10 degree equals 0. Okay, so now I want to use first of all these two directly. I want to write step nana 2 cos c plus d by 2 50 plus 70 120 by 60 degree into sin 50 minus 70 50 minus 20 minus 20 by 2 minus 10 plus sin 10 as it is you write. So this is of 2 into 1 by 2 into minus you will get no minus and 10 degree plus sin 10 degree. These two get cancelled. Minus and 10 degree plus sin 10 degree. So these two get cancelled. 0, which is RHS. For first problem, you people can complete second problem. So I want to complete fifth problem Nana here. Yeah, sin of x plus y. This mode already completed. Just example problem already completed. Yeah, so you want I can sin of x plus sin of y equal to equal to a. So 2 sin of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 equal to a. This is taken as 1. So cos x plus cos y is given as b. 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2 equal to b is taken as equation number 2. Here these two like no, that's why 1 by 2 gives 2 to get cancelled. Tan of x plus y by 2 equal to a by b. Already we did this type of this model, this type of problem. Tan of x plus y by 2 equal to a by b you got. What do you want? Oh, this is a by b. Directly I can say a by b is the answer for this. Sin of x minus y by 2 in terms of a and b. This is interesting. Okay, student. Yeah, this is not easy. No, I will explain. What you got? Tan x plus y you got. No? From this tan of x plus y, find the sin of x plus and substitute here. You get cos of x minus y by 2. From there, we will get sin of x minus y by 2. This is one of the way. So I will try. I will show you. No? So what you got here? Yeah. Use right triangle. I can say that this is a, this is b, this is root over a square plus b square. This angle is taken as x plus y by 2. So what is the sin of x plus y by 2 here? Sin of x plus y by 2 nothing but a by under root over a square plus b square. So, now first equation becomes, so instead of 2 as it is, instead of sin of x plus y, I can write this a by root over a square plus b square into cos of x minus y by 2 is equal to a. Now, I want to rub this down because I already explained. No? Okay. So, here what happened? A get cancelled. So, cos of x minus y by 2 equal to root over a square plus b square by 2. Anything wrong? Okay. Next, cos square of x minus y by 2 I want. That is a square plus b square by 4. 1 minus cos square of x minus y by 2 I want. That is 1 minus a square plus b square by 4. So, sin square of x minus y by 2 I want. That is 4 minus a square minus b square by 4. I want sin of x minus y by 2, which is same as root over 4 minus a square minus b square by 2. Okay. So, what happened? We got the value of sin of x minus y by 2, that is nothing but root over 4 minus a square minus b square by 2. Okay. Students, now I am finalizing. So, what is the required value? That is therefore sin of x minus y by 2 equal to plus or minus, you should write, because you do not know x minus y by 2 angle. It may be positive or negative. That is why finally plus or minus 4 minus a square minus b square by 2. This is the value of sin of x minus y.